back, guys. I'm here with Luvme hair again. So let's get into today's package. Alright, as usual, it comes nicely packaged with the tissue paper, everything. I'm seeing the wig first. Alright, then I'm seeing a card that says review and reward. Earn up to $100. Earn $100 rather. And then I got this little Luvme hair bag. I'm not sure what's inside. Let's see. Whatcha? A whole pair of sunnies. This is nice. One thing, you know, I love when they bring out a nice little goodie surprise in the packages. This is so cute. Then I have a pair of this wig cap, superior quality deluxe wig cap. I also got a wig grip, you know, if you want to go ahead and use that to apply your wig. Got this branded headscarf, you know, a Luvme drawstring bag, perfect for packaging your wig afterwards, after using it. And I got this little card, which is basically a user's guide. You know, they always ensure to put these little stuff in the packaging. That's everything that came in the packaging. I also got this little label here, like if you want to go ahead and use this to label your unit. So it's like a sticker that you can stick on. For today's wig, I'm pretty excited. I got a bob and it feels so good. It's a nice blunt cut bob. This is a limited design. They say it's an ombre highlight silk blunt cut glueless 5x5 closure HD lace closure bob. All right, and it feels super silky. Let's just start right there. All right, I got this in the length 10 inches, and as you can see, there's a gorgeous, beautiful ombre color to it. I love that, you know, it's an HD lace. That makes it really easy for these laces to just blend once you install it, and it's glueless, so you know it's quick and easy, very beginner friendly. You want to, you know, go ahead and install your wig and do it like a pro. Glueless wigs really help you to give that vibe because they're really seamless once installed in the hairline area. So that's really nice. This is how the lace area looks. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all of that for you, so you don't have to go through the hassle of doing all of that. So it's pre-customized basically. Inside of the wig has a total of 4 combs and a additional like strap, adjustable strap, so if you want it to get tighter or looser you can. There are also adjustable straps in the back of the wig cap to make it more secure as well. So I always use those to tighten the wig. Alright guys, so you see how it looks once I slip it on. It's pretty snug and it fits pretty exact as well. It's a medium cap size, so note that it does fit exact. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. No baby the hair is needed on this, okay? None. The hairline with the lace is so undetectable. You see how close I come to the camera so you guys can see? Like super undetectable. Like no glue, no gel, no spray needed with this wig. Alright, let me just make that clear. None of that is needed. You see that? Yeah, all I'm gonna do is get my hot comb to just, you know, give this a little shaping so everything, you know, is laying like I want it to, and then I'm going to run through it with my flat iron to get it as bone straight as possible, because this does look so good and it's very convenient. The lace is already so precise. I don't need to do like the parting is already so precise. I don't need to do much to it. Basically I'm just gonna speed up through this portion, but I'm still gonna show you guys how easy and quick it is to finesse this wig.
Feeling
this is it for the wig, guys. See, very easy, to the point, super quick. Like, the only thing I want here of this portion from the mid portion here to show a little bit more, a little bit brighter with the parting. So I'm just gonna go in with some powder. Yeah, I think that's perfect. I don't have to put any towards the front. It looks pretty natural, guys. Super easy and convenient. The wig was so quick and easy to put on. You guys saw. Yes, see that this is a full-on glueless vibe. Absolutely no baby hairs or swoops needed. The color job is beautifully done. Hair is silky and soft, super buttery. So I feel like it's a win-win. The lace makes everything appear even more natural because it's HD. As you guys know, Luvme, they did it again. You guys know Luvme, they don't do anything but quality. Alright, so you know, once you get a wig from Luvme, it's going to be good. Just saying. So I 10 out of 10 recommend this bob if you're looking for something very quick, easy, convenient, and looks like it's installed like by a professional at the end of installation. You can check this bob out. It's beautiful. You know, summer will be over soon because the time is moving, okay? And I feel like this wig, it will be perfect for summer and it's perfect for fall. That's just the vibe the color is giving me. So it's a win-win kind of situation, you know? It really doesn't matter. So as usual, you guys know I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications on the wig if you're interested in getting it yourself. Shout out to Luvme because they did their thing again with another bomb wig. Let me show you how secure this is, by the way. If you're, you know, worrying about it being glueless, let's do a test. Let's do a shake test. Guys, the wig is going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. It's on your head, okay? And has absolutely no product added to keep it on your head. Like, let me make sure to do this. Yeah, so you know it's real. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it for today's wig installation, wig look. Hope you guys like it. Hope you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Also subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. This weekend coming up is going to be very lit, so make sure that you subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, to see all the lit vlogs I got going on over there, because it's just a vibe. Alright, stay tuned because I have more chit chats coming up over here as well. Yeah, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.